Is the market crashing in September? Well, September is here and everyone's shouting the same thing. It's the worst month for the stock market, but is the market really about to crash? Or is this just another case of panic headlines with no substance? Let's cut through the noise and rely on actual data. First, the reputation is actually real. Historically, September has been the weakest month for the US equities. Now, since 1950s, the S&P 500 has averaged a 0.6 to 0.7 decline in September. Some sources put it closer to 1.1% decline when you look at both the Dow and the Nasdaq. So yes, statistically, September underperforms compared to other months. Here's where the panic doesn't match reality. Yes, September is weak on average, but that doesn't mean every September ends in disaster. In fact, about 45% of September since 1950 have actually been positive. That's almost a coin toss. So while the averages skew negative, the odds of a crash are far from guaranteed. And let's not forget what usually comes next, which is October. Despite its reputation for historic crashes like 1929 and 1987, October is actually a positive month, on average around 1.1% gains for the S&P 500. So market often rebound right after September's weaknesses. Now, let's take into account that we are currently in a bull market. And pullbacks in a bull market often aren't the end, they're opportunities. Seasonal dips can create entries, not exits. And history shows market often push higher into Q4. So is September the worst month statistically? Yes. Does that mean we guaranteed a crash? Absolutely not. The reality is the data shows weakness is common, but not inevitable. Instead of giving in to panic headlines, let's recognize September for what it actually is. Just another month in the market cycle. If history repeats, any dip could be a setup for strength into October and beyond. So don't trade the fear, trade the facts, and now you have them. So what do you think? Will this September live up to its reputation? Or is the market about to prove the stats wrong? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Mr. M out.